Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Kabsat Hotel. How are you today?
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
That's wonderful to hear that. May I please your name and other reservation details so kaya na-assist your check-in?
Yes, under my name, Marjorie Vidunasta.
Thank you, Miss Dinusta. Let me just pull up for your reservation. Perfect. I see you're staying with us 2 days and 1 night. Is that correct?
Yes.
Excellent. May I see a valid ID and credit card you use for booking?
Oh, just wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything is all set, Miss Dinusta. You'll be staying in the Lux room in 401 on the 4th floor. For your privacy and security, here's your key and room number written by this card. Your checkout time is 1 p.m. Your breakfast is served at Continental from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Should you need anything during your stay, please contact 0029 for your front desk. You'll be happy to assist. Once again, welcome to Kabsat Hotel and we hope you enjoy your day here.
Thank you.